Hi there, today we're going to be making pizza pockets in the air fryer. The air fryer that I am using is a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. Instead of pizza dough, we're going to be using a bread dough. I will be using the frozen bread dough that you find at your local grocery store. This is easy peasy, so let's go ahead and get started. I thought I'd show you real quick on the bread that I'm using. It's this right here. I got this at Walmart, and of course it's in the freezer section. I have one loaf here that I already defrosted. I think there's enough dough here in one of these loaves to make 4 pizza pockets. It also depends too on how big you make them. I'm going to flour my surface a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and roll this out. I'm probably going to roll it out to about 6 inches in diameter. This is 7 inches in diameter. Again, you can make these as big or small as you like. I'm going to make one of these pepperoni and the other one pepperoni and mushroom. I might put some jalapenos on one. I'm going to take some of the pizza sauce and I'm going to spread it on half of the dough. Now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to add some pepperoni. I just cut these in half. You don't need to do that. Best part about this is you can put as much or as little as you want. And I'm going to add a few mushrooms on this one. And we're just going to take this and flip it over. And we're going to seal this up good. I just kind of pinch it and then flip it over. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to take my knife and just do an X in here. I'm going to brush this a little bit with olive oil. Sprinkle this a little bit with Italian seasoning. All right, I'm going to be using a parchment paper liner. I'm only using this to avoid the marks that the air fryer basket is going to leave on the bottom of our pizza pocket. Purely presentation purposes, so you don't need a liner. And pop this in, and I'm going to make one more up. Okay, let's get this in the basket and we are ready to pop this in. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. I am guessing 5 minutes, but I went ahead and just set the timer for 7 minutes and the temperature at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 5 minutes in, I'm going to go ahead and take a peek at these. We're at 5 minutes in and I just peeked at these. These could be done right now, but I want them a little bit more of a golden brown in my lighting. There we go. So I'm just going to let it go the full 7 minutes. Right, our 7 minutes is up. Oh yeah. I'm going to go plate these up and we'll take a taste. Okay, I wish you were here so I could share this with you. This is delicious. The bread dough really works well with this. Absolutely delicious. So if you like this video, you might want to check out these other air fryer recipes. I want to thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time.